Hello everyone, welcome to Danny Kitchen Mafia. Today we're gonna do the special roll today with no rice, with rice paper. This one actually from Vietnamese cuisine. So we're gonna do this for today. Okay, let's start with one sheet first. One sheet of the rice paper. We have the lukewarm water. So we soak in the lukewarm water to make it soft. And then we lay down with the bamboo mat or the plastic maki mat. So lay down so it's not stick with the cutting board. So we do. So we're gonna roll like this. Ingredient: 2 tablespoons of the ground tuna. Put some spicy mayo. A little bit of the Sriracha. Mix together. And then add some tempura flake that we made before. So now we're gonna make the tempura flake. We use a tempura powder mixed with water and whisk it. So and then we're gonna make tempura flake in a deep fry. So wait until it's golden brown and crispy. Then it's ready. Try to drain all the oil. Make like more crunchy. Mix. Yes, ready. The ingredient that we use is boiled spinach, fresh orange, and watermelon. So we're gonna start with the spinach first. So lay spinach in the center. Watermelon, orange, and then the mixing the spicy tuna with the tempura flake. So we put in the center, and then we start to roll. So one you roll, and then we float the end of the rice paper, like make the fresh spring roll. Make it tight a little bit, and then roll it up. Okay, one set aside. So another sheet of the the rice paper. Do the same way. Soak in the lukewarm water. Make it soft a little bit. Okay, so we put down on the mat. We do the same step with the steam spinach. Lemon? No, sorry, the orange. Watermelon. You can put all the ingredient that you have. You may put some mixed green salad. You may put any kind of fruit that make like sweet and sour taste. Whatever you have in the refrigerator. Then we start to wrap. Like this, you float the left end and the right end together. Try to make like the lock. Okay, we finished. So we have 2 roll. So now we're gonna cut. So we're gonna cut like 4 each. And then we're gonna put on the plate. Float up. We'll try to arrange, make it beautiful. Put some sesame seed. Add some fresh seaweed in the middle. Okay. So now we're gonna put house Ponzu sauce. Finish with the Japanese pepper, Shichimi Togarashi. Just a little bit. Clean up, and we might add a little bit of the tempura flake on top to make it more crispy. Okay, finished. So this one, I hope you have the idea to make the roll with the rice paper. It's good for the party, for the amuse bouche or the cocktail party that you serve one piece on the plate for your party. So this one is more refreshing. So you have the sweetness from the watermelon, you have the sourness from the orange, and you have more texture with the crunchy spicy tuna that add the tempura flake, and you have steamed spinach to be your vegetable. And again, if you like my video clip, please give me a thumb up, please share, and please subscribe my channel. See you in the next episode. Thank you.